Welcome back. The Nigerian National Petroleum Corporation says it has reached a final settlement with ITO Group over a $202.4 million, that's equivalent of about 62 billion naira debt in respect to the under-delivery of petroleum products. Well, the spokesperson for the NNPC confirmed the group paid in full all of its outstanding debts to all NNPC downstream entities. The amount includes ITO's share of the $184 million debt on the crude swap obligations, plus ITO's other downstream liabilities. Now, ITO Energy is one of 7 major Nigerian fuel importers identified as the world's culprits in schemes employed by Nigerian and foreign fuel importers. So other companies, of course, that 2 other oil firms, that's Televaras Group and Ontario Oil and Gas Limited, also involved in crude swap under delivery. Televaras has promised to make a tranche payment of about $17.2 million, and the settlement between NNPC and Ontario Oil and Gas is also in progress. Also in progress, the markets, that the Nigerian equities market is already set in continuous trade. Let's talk to Rotimi Fakayejo, who is a trader and the Chief Executive Officer of Enterprise Stockbrokers, to get a sense of where those numbers are at the moment. Good morning to you, Rotimi.
Good morning, Harriet.
It's great to have you join me on the program this morning. So give us a sense of where the early birds are. Who are the early birds today?
Well, for now, the market is trading flat. We've only had a change of 0.01% negative. Just a volume of 6 million shares have been traded for a value of 69.44 million. And we have just one loser at this point in time, and that is Guaranteed Trust Bank. There is so much sale pressure on it because the markdown date, the last qualifying date is today, and by tomorrow they stop with the markdown. And we have a very, very few securities that are actually gaining for now. So the market is still trading flat. We hope it gets better as the trading continues.
Well, Champion Breweries turned in its full-year results to the stock exchange yesterday. Give us a sense of how the market's reacting to these numbers.
Well, there wasn't so much reaction because the activity on MRS is still very, very low. It's very, very inactive, even with the result that came out. It was expected that at least with the kind of dividend of 150 crore they are paying, there could be a rush and a high appetite for the stock, but otherwise it wasn't so. But we hope that transactions have commenced today, and even so far today, just 4,151 units have been traded, and that is still very low to go. So we hope that as more people get to know about the results, we definitely will begin to partake and take position.
So we're looking out for the usual suspects in terms of probable where the market is going to close at. At the moment, you say the market is flat, but then taking a look at how the activities are starting off, albeit slowly, do you expect the market to still finish in winning ways like we saw yesterday?
Well, there is every likelihood for that. We saw the consumer goods sector actually pulling up the market yesterday. It's still most likely to happen today, having it from the likes of Nestle, from the likes of Nigerian breweries. And we hope that Guaranteed Trust Bank may still be able to come back to the level where it was yesterday, but for now it's losing to pick up. If that happens, then definitely may still be able to close better than we did yesterday.
Rotimi Fakayejo, CEO of Enterprise Stockbrokers and trader with the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Thank you so much for joining us on the program and giving us a sense of where the numbers are. So Rotimi analyzing the pre-open stock prices there. Even though the market is trading flat, he's quite optimistic that the market will finish in winning ways. Don't forget that we started the week 12 basis points higher on the back of mostly gains recorded by banking stocks, consumer goods, as well as oil and gas stocks as well. So we've got our eye on the markets for you. But that's it on today's edition of Business Morning. Many thanks for staying with us. I'm Harriet Agbini. Have a profitable day.